Hello and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have a GARMIN Forerunner 170, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to open the menu, and you can open the menu by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, scroll down, and if you can scroll down even further, tap on the watch settings icon. It will open the settings for you. And now scroll through the settings, find the system option and tap on it. And here look for the option called Restore and Reset and tap on it. Now find Reset and select it. And here we have quite a few options. We have reset default settings, delete all activities and stuff like that. If you want to completely wipe your watch, select the delete data and reset settings. But if you want to just reset the settings to default, you can always select the reset default settings option. I just want to wipe it completely, so I'm gonna tap on this option. Then press the upper button to confirm and wait until the process is complete, which will take at least a few seconds, maybe a bit more. Okay, and once the reset is complete, you should see the list of languages on the screen, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.